Welcome to Trading Nation. I'm Brian Sullivan. Amid the surge in volatility, a whopping 65% of the S&P 500 entered into a correction, down 10% from its highs. That's about 320 stocks, give or take. But one of your next guests says a handful look pretty attractive. Mark Tepper and Matt Maley, your Trading Nation team. Matt Maley, you picked out three that you think technically look attractive. Why do you like a delivery company, a fertilizer company, and an oil company?
Well, kind of for three different reasons. And again, we're looking at it on a technical basis, and with 300 charts to choose from, it's hard to pick three. But the first one is UPS. Now, this is a stock literally a month ago I thought was the most overbought stock you could find, and it could see a big decline. Sure enough, it's down 20% in only a month. However, this has taken it from ridiculously overbought to somewhat oversold, or pretty oversold. More importantly, it has taken it down to its 200-week moving average. This line has provided unbelievable support going all the way back to 2011. So I think it could hold this level. And again, even though I thought it would correct a month ago, I didn't think it would correct this much, again, because of the broad market. So it should be a good entry point. The next one is ANADARKO Petroleum, APC. This stock is, it's outperformed a lot of the other energy stocks. First of all, on the upside, it made a very big higher high. Very big higher high and a higher low. So that's always very positive. But also, as it's rolled back over, it hasn't retraced anywhere near as much as the rest of the energy sector has. Therefore, if we see a bottom in oil anytime soon, or any kind of bounce in oil, which I think we will, this should be a stock that could, again, make another higher low, higher high move, which would gather a lot of momentum for the stock. Finally, there's one that's a little bit more dicey, and that's MOSAIC, MOS. The stock has been in a downtrend, making lower highs and lower lows for quite some time, for several years. However, it's trying to bounce back to its trend line, going all the way back to 2011. Now, this stock is very, very highly correlated with commodities. And you look at the CRB commodity index, it topped in 2011 just like this stock did. If this stock can finally break above its trend line, I said it's a weekly trend line that I've provided on the chart. If it can break above that, and you think commodities are going to move higher, this could be a stock that will surprise everybody to the upside. So it looks good on a technical basis as well, although that one's a little bit more risky. All
right, a little more risky. Let's turn it over now, Mark Tepper, from a fundamental perspective. I know you think the MOSAIC may be a little too risky for you and your clients, but what about ANADARKO and or UPS?
To start off with ANADARKO, we are bullish on the energy sector in general, given that, we're in this global economic expansion. We're finally starting to see some inflationary pressures. The stock's trading at an enterprise value to EBITDA discount relative to its peers. Margins are expanding. International growth is strong. Revenues are up 12% year over year, so we would buy that one. As far as UPS goes, we like transportation stocks, and we think they're all going to benefit from tax reform. Consumer demand hasn't changed at all. It's still really, really strong. And again, we're finally starting to see some wage inflation. So that's going to give consumers even more ability to purchase stuff. And as retail shifts away from brick and mortar to online orders, UPS is going to benefit from that. So at a forward PE of 14, that's a buy for us as well.
Okay, Mark Tepper, Strategic Wealth Partners, and Matt Maley, Miller Tabak. Some interesting names there, Matt. Out of 320, you found three. We're going to watch them all. The internet's got a long memory, my friend. We're going to be watching those. Matt and Mark, thank you both very much. And as always, check out the live version on CNBC's Power Lunch. I'll see you there as well. Take care.
Hey there, thanks for checking out CNBC on YouTube. Be sure to subscribe to stay up to date on all of the day's biggest stories. You can also click on any of the videos around me to watch the latest from CNBC. Thanks for watching.